guys, Garrett here with Show Me Adventure. I'm back on the water today. It's been a while since I've brought you a video. I've been doing some fishing this year. Kind of started in March with my kayak, and then in May did quite a bit of fishing with my boys on the pontoon boat. I didn't record any of those trips, but I'm out here by myself today on Lake of the Ozarks. It's early June, and we're going to see if we can find some excitement. So hang with me and let's see what we can do. There he goes. We got our first one of the day here. Not going to be too impressive. Got another one on here. Buster. Always happy to see the first one. He's always excited for the first one of the day. There he is. It's the start. Woo-hoo. Try to turn so you're not looking right into the sun here. Found my best strategy for if you want to catch fish, try to do something else. Eat lunch, fix a pole, mess with your stuff. Whenever I get preoccupied with something else or try to do something else, that's when I catch fish or get bites. So it's a good tip. They're both going crazy. It's a bunch of dinks or gar or something. Looks something still swimming this way. But he's on there. Yeah, he is. Didn't think he was on there. I thought he let it go. Line kept swimming. Well, I think they're getting a little bit bigger as we go here. Little by little. Kind of anticipated that big fish would be a bit of a challenge today with spawn happening almost. Water temp 72. Where that hook got me, dude. Another one. Good action. That keeps it fun. Let's find a big one. I'll give you another tip. Something I learned a couple years ago while I was actually doing some research for fishing in salt water, doing some shark fishing on vacation. I read something that I transferred over to freshwater catfishing, and it has really made a big difference. I got fish all over the place here. That is, take care of your bait. So in the past, when we used to catfish growing up with my grandfather, my dad, we would throw our shad in a bucket of water, catch fresh shad, throw them in a bucket of water, just let them set, out in the heat. They get soft and mushy and now what I do is I don't ever put them in water. As soon as I catch them, they go right into a Ziploc bag. They go straight on ice, and I keep them on ice the entire time. They'll hold up a lot better. They don't get real mushy. You keep a lot of those oils and stuff in them, so then that disperses in the water rather than in your bucket. And I just think it's made a huge difference. You can get a lot more life out of your bait, and it's been a good tip. So it's really helped me. If you're not doing that, you should maybe think about it. A little bit better fish here. Fish of the day. Not saying a whole lot yet, but I moved. Wind has picked up. Moved back to where I started. I moved back to this point at the mouth of where there's a creek channel that dumps into the river channel here, which I anchored now at the point because of the wind. It drifted too fast. I've had a lot of bites here. Haven't got any hooked up. Got one here. Not real happy. But we'll just get them unhooked and have them smile for the camera. Picture. Let him go. All right, caught a good one. It's a pretty nice fish. About 15 pounds, almost 15. Somewhere when he grabbed it. Channel. I don't like catching channel cats. I just don't like them. They don't get very big. They don't taste good. Oh, I got a fish on here. Oh. Let me spin the kayak around. I'm gonna have to wait. I don't think he's too big either, but all the other catfish a bad name. You hear about people talking about using hot dogs soaked in jello and garlic and catching fish. They're catching channel cats. That's stupid if you ask me. Each their own. If you do that, no offense. I just don't like it. I prefer bluefins, which you likely will not catch on people like the way channel cats taste. I think they're gross. I think they're muddy. And come on. Hang on. I just moved up on this channel. I'm gonna drop that down again. I'm still on this point. I just moved farther up the break line from about, I was fishing about 38 feet to now I'm at about 34 feet. Let's get this guy in too. Do a double photo op here. Oh, is he on there? Oh geez, I got fish on all. Okay. This is going to be number 3 here. I think that one let go. I'm trying to do my best Justin Johnson impression here, catching 4 fish at one time. Probably don't make it look as easy and cool though. 3 at one time is pretty cool though. That's hooked very well. I just added a 4th rod this year. Still getting used to that 4th rod, and honestly I have a hard time knowing which one I got a bite on now. Before, when I only had 1 rod behind me, I knew if it wasn't the one of the 2 in front which one it was. Now I'm not sure. Alright, I don't know how to hold up 3 fish for a picture here. Ouch. Channel cat, he's mad. Ouch. Man, blue cat's mad too. Got them all riled up. I can't do it. I can't get 3 at one time. Here's 2 at one time. Doubled up. We're gonna let this channel cat go because I don't like them. These blue cats, they're gonna be dinner. Sometimes they trick you. They trick me. it for today, guys. Appreciate you hanging with me. We'll get it after again real soon. Hopefully this spawn will get over and we'll find a big one. Appreciate it. We'll see you next time.